Hey, this is Isaac with Park My Share. I'm going to help you navigate your arrival here in Philadelphia. Once you land, head down to the baggage claim area and collect your luggage. Once you collect your luggage, proceed to the shuttle pickup area and look for the signs directing you to the courtesy shuttle or ground transportation areas designated for off-airport parking shuttles. If you're in terminals A, B, C, D, E, or F, the shuttle pickup will be right outside of the baggage claim area. Between the times of 6 a.m. and 10 p.m., the shuttles will run regularly. If you want to know the exact location of your parking spot shuttle, download and pull up the parking spot app, press Find My Shuttle and Pick Me Up button, and press on the parking spot north, and the app will show you exactly where the shuttles are. If you're arriving between the hours of 10 p.m. and 6 a.m., these shuttles operate on call. Please contact the parking spot north directly at 215-492-5353 to request a pickup. Stand under the courtesy shuttle sign and wait for the parking spot north shuttle to arrive. Once it arrives, let your driver know that you're picking up a Turo car through Park My Share, and he or she will give you access to the shuttle. As you start approaching the location, let your driver know exactly where your host vehicle is at. Your host should tell you under the car sharing app messages. Once you get to your host vehicle, follow your host's check-in instructions to gain access to the car. To exit the facility, follow the blue Park My Share signs, which will lead you through 2 exit gates. The gate arms will automatically lift after the Park My Share AVI reader reads the AVI tag located on the windshield of your vehicle. If you have any issues with the gate access, hit the intercom button to be connected to a member of the Park My Share team. The Park My Share team may ask for the numbers on the back of the AVI tag and may ask for your reservation or host name. Once you pass the final gate, you'll be able to exit onto Essington Avenue. Thank you for parking with Park My Share. If you have any questions or concerns during your trip, please reach out to your host.